Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this episode, we will be learning how to delete Pokémons in Pokémon GO application using your mobile device. To delete Pokémons from your Pokémon GO account, open the Pokémon GO application and make sure that you're signed in. After you are logged into Pokémon GO, from the main homepage, tap on the Pokéball icon at the bottom of the screen. In the expanded menu, look for Pokémon button and tap on it. Select the Pokémon you would like to delete. Within the Pokémon tab, go ahead and select the Pokémon and their info section will appear on the screen. Tap on the hamburger menu at the bottom right corner while you are opening up their info section and click on the transfer button. Tap on yes once you do that from the pop-up to confirm the transfer. Now, the transfer means you will be transferring the Pokémon to Professor Willow for candy. Repeat the step in order to transfer multiple Pokémon. Remember that the transferred Pokémon cannot be retrieved back again. You'll receive a candy for the Pokémon species as a reward. That is how you can delete a Pokémon in Pokémon GO, or in other words, you can say that that's how you transfer a Pokémon in Pokémon GO in just a couple of steps. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.